Sizzling and Sautéing, cooking up your English vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to spice up your vocabulary with two flavorful terms from the culinary world, sauté and sizzle. These words are not just about cooking, they're a great example of how English can capture the essence of everyday activities. So, let's get cooking with language. Sauté is a term borrowed from French, where it means jumped or bounced. In cooking, it refers to a method where ingredients are cooked quickly in a small amount of oil or fat in a pan over direct heat. When you sauté something, you often keep it moving, usually by tossing or flipping it. This method is commonly used for vegetables, meat, or fish and results in a dish that is crispy and browned on the outside while keeping its texture and moisture. Now, let's turn up the heat with sizzle. Sizzle is an onomatopoeic word, meaning it sounds like what it describes. Imagine the sound of something cooking in a pan, especially when a little bit of moisture hits hot oil. That's the sizzle. It's a sound and sight that often signifies delicious food being prepared. Beyond the kitchen, sizzle is used metaphorically in English to describe something exciting, vibrant, or full of energy. Both sauté and sizzle are not just limited to the kitchen. You might hear them in everyday English in various contexts. For example, sauté can be used to describe a lively, quick movement. She sautéed across the dance floor. Similarly, sizzle can describe something exciting. The new movie is really making a sizzle in the box office. There you have it, a quick yet flavorful lesson on sauté and sizzle. Remember, learning English is like cooking a great dish. It takes practice, patience, and a bit of creativity. We hope this video has added some zest to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be cooking up sentences like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.